What's up, Cubers? My name's Kenneth. Today we got a package from Greg Fenig, a puzzle designer and fellow YouTuber, and I'm really excited to open it up, so let's take a look. Here are the stickers. You can see them. They look really cool. They're another collaboration between Greg and Oliver from Oliver Stickers. You can get these from Oliver Stickers website. I'll put a link in the description. And you can see that these stickers are also lenticular stickers, just like the world's hardest two-faced cube is. So depending on how you look at it, it looks solved, and then all of a sudden it's scrambled. Solve, scrambled, solve, scrambled. So this one is a little different. This one will be able to see the color, which is red, and then all of a sudden you won't see it. So anyway, this should look really cool. And yeah, I want to get these on a puzzle. So let me find a cube. So I'm going to use this cube. I think this is a Guhong, and yeah, it's just been sitting on the shelf. So I pulled it down, and I'm going to have to pull the stickers off. While I'm pulling these stickers off, I wanted to mention I was looking at my analytics and I noticed that I have a lot of viewers that aren't subscribed. So if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed and this is kind of interesting to you, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button. I do make videos at least every other weekend and often every week. So if you're interested, my videos come out Sundays. If you want, ring the bell. I do respond and heart lots of comments, especially in the first hour the video comes out. Those videos usually do come out 8 a.m. Pacific time, so definitely say hi if you're watching early. Anyway, I'm really excited. The channel is continuing to grow. Continue to like the video, do all the things you guys do. It really helps out. So yeah, thanks guys. So I got the stickers on and it looks really cool. I think it's really neat kind of thing. So we got these kind of colors and they show up and then they kind of disappear. They all are kind of a little bit different. So it's hard to get, I guess I can kind of get 3 colors at one time and then they kind of just disappear. But it looks really kind of glassy, like a black glass. It reminds me of obsidian. It's gonna look really cool scrambled up. Yeah, let's mess it up. Yeah, that looks really cool because the colors kind of flash and then they disappear. Yeah, that looks so cool. So yeah, these puzzles are so cool. I love the lenticular lenses. I think it could be really cool maybe to do something with images. You could do a picture cube, but with 2 pictures, or having the pictures do some kind of animation or 3D. So you could do a lot with these lenticular kind of lenses. When you're scrambling it up, the colors are all flashing and it's really an interesting look. All right, so it's time to try to solve this puzzle and see what it's like solving the hide and seek cube. On your mark, get set, go. Red and orange are very close. It's making it hard to look ahead. Almost impossible to look ahead. Oops, I put a red one. I mixed up red and orange there. Okay, so I got a layer. It's almost frustrating to try to solve it. There we go. So I've solved it, but the centers are not oriented properly. So they look a little funny. So you're going to want to do the centers as well. So I should do that. So there we go. That should be solved. The blue, the lenses are the same direction, but I believe this needs to flip 180 degrees. I wonder if any other ones need to flip 180 degrees. Wow, yellow just popped all of a sudden. Pop. There we go. There we go. That looks better. That was cool. I like solving it. I don't know. It made it, it's almost like trying to solve the cube almost in the dark or with like really low light, where you're like squinting and you're trying to figure out what the color is. And for me, the red and the orange, they're very similar, especially when they're kind of both a little bit on the dark side. It's hard to see like which one's which. But yeah. It's so cool. I think I'm going to scramble it up and solve again. That was a lot of fun. And go. So hard to see the colors. So weird. There we go. I'm done. So I think this is really a cool puzzle. It's definitely an awesome addition to my collection. I think it's really great. Thanks, Greg, for sending it to me. I think it's really awesome. So if you guys want to check it out, definitely take a look at Greg's channel or find the sticker set on Oliver Stickers website. Links are in the description. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely let me know if you guys like it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And of course, have a great day.